Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chemaka Okeibu. If you're joining me for the first time, you're very much welcome. Do consider subscribing. So in today's video, I would be doing a lip tutorial, an ombre tutorial, which would be beginner friendly. If it's something you're interested in, consider staying. For beginners, I would advise you first line your lips using a round pencil just to get the outline for your cupid's bow and under your lips. The reason for this is if you're using a liquid, it doesn't bleed and it's easier, it helps you line. Now, taking your liquid lipstick, the darker color you use first, now you go over the outline of your lips. So for ombre, you're using two colors, right? A darker color and a lighter color. It could be a monochrome ombre, that's two colors, two same colors, probably purple, one light purple, one dark purple. Now go over it and leave space in the middle, yeah, just like that, so that it doesn't affect when you're putting the lighter color. It doesn't have an effect on the lighter color, so it's just going to be plain. Now go over to the top of your lips, tracing it out carefully because of your cupid's bow. You want your cupid's bow to be sharp, you want the edges of your lips to be sharp, right? So you just go over it carefully in this way. Trace it, and it's always advisable do not go in with a lot of liquid lipstick, so that way you can control whatever it is you're putting, because you could always add more, but if you use a lot you have to clean and that wouldn't be nice. So yeah, so lip space also upwards so that you can add your desired middle color. That's the ombre effect. So now look at it. Is there any space you would like to fill? Yeah, are you okay with your cupid's bow? That way, just go over it again, deepen the color if you want to, make it thicker, and then join the lips so that you don't have spaces in your mouth, right? So join the colors together. Now going over with my lighter color, this looks pinkish, but I think it's actually an orange color. It's a color, I've forgotten the name of the lipstick. Now you go over that with your lipstick. It's always preferable when you use liquid, always use liquid to top, because lipstick easily cleans off, in my own opinion. But yeah, this was what I had. I had a lipstick and I used that for my lips. Now you have to blend in those two colors, irrespective of the color you used. You have to blend them in. You don't want somebody to say, oh, this is orange and this is dark brown, right? So you can use the bottom of your brushes to blend. You can use a lip blending brush also, that works. Just use it to blend it in. If it's not enough, you can go in and add more. Add as much as you want to your satisfaction. Increase the intensity. You can see that I've even increased the color above the space I left, right? So now I have to blend that into the brown, so it's not just like orange is here and the brown is here. No, I want it to be seamless. I want you to see the two colors, however I want them blended in. As you can see, the top part isn't well blended yet. I'll definitely come to that. So this whole thing is just about blending. Know what you want and how you want to go about it. So now I'm going back into the brown because I realized that I have cleaned a lot of the brown and I wanted more of brown than orange. So just that we go into it. Like I said, you could use the brush, you could use the bottom. It works. The bottom works for me, so I use it that way. I believe it will work for you. Yeah. So I go back up into the upper part to blend it because I feel like it's not well blended. Yeah. So yeah, baby girl, blend. Yes, mama. Yeah, that's how stars do. So I was feeling myself, I was looking at myself, happy, and then all of a sudden it popped into me like, should add some colors, mama, right? Yep. So this is okay, but well, extra color doesn't hurt nobody. So I went back in with a pink lipstick, liquid lipstick here, just to concentrate that in the middle part of my lips. I felt like I needed the colors to pop more. Yep. And I put that in and I blended, added more. I actually added more. Yeah, concentrating it. Yeah. So I placed that in the middle, and then I went ahead to blend again and again and again. Like I said, makeup is all about blending. I don't know, guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, kilo day, kilo shele, what did I do? Be cool. I am begging you, please hit the subscribe button. It's the red button on your right. Yes, just below the, is it just below this video? Please, please, please. So yeah, back to the video. Makeup is all about blend, blend, blend. So blend those colors into each other. Blend the lower lip, blend the upper lip. If you have gloss, now would be a good time to pop on your gloss. Yeah. But this was the matte. This is my final look. This is my ombre lips. I don't know if you can see that. See, I didn't have to sculpt. The colors are well blended and everything is just so intact. Like, can you? Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.